Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can design phone wallpapers in Canva. It's really simple. Speaking of the Canva website, it's very beginner-friendly. You can design and edit videos, and you can also customize pre-made templates. So, let's get started. If you want to create phone wallpapers in Canva, just search for it in Canva by typing phone wallpapers in the search bar. You'll see tons of wallpapers. If you don't like a particular one, just click on More. There are lots of options and all kinds of templates available for you. Just explore. Some are paid, but don't worry, there are plenty of free versions as well. Maybe I like this one, so I'll go with this one. All right, go to Customize this template. Now you can edit or customize anything you want. First of all, maybe you want to change the image. Just go to Download and upload anything you want. I want to add this image. Just drag it here, and now you can see I can replace it. If you want another image, you can simply remove and replace it as well. If you want to change the text, just go to the text, double-click it, and write whatever you want. Anything you want to write. If you want to add elements, go to Elements on the left side. Type anything you like, for example, motivational, and you'll get audio, graphics, photos, and videos as well. I'll go to graphics and maybe add this one. This way, you can add or reposition anything you like. You can also change the template. Go to Templates. Search for other templates as well. These are the simple steps to create and design your own phone wallpapers in Canva. If you have any questions about this video, please comment below. I'll be answering all the questions. I'll see you in the next video.